Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, and tomorrow, guys, we're gonna have some serious stuff. We're gonna have some serious economic news. So today, actually, I'm preparing to stay out of the market. We saw yesterday, actually, the market was not moving that much, especially the time we were online. We were on here live, actually, YouTube live. So we saw that the market was consolidating, and we did talk about that. The market doesn't really actually move anywhere. Actually, the market it's waiting for the news. You can see tomorrow we have FOMC. Its interest rates, we expecting them to increase with 25 basis points. If they increase with more than that, it's going to be a different story. We're going to see the market doing some stuff. The dollar is going to get stronger and stronger. But beside that, before that, we see that actually we have employment change for New Zealand. This one also moves very nice. New Zealand employment rate, actually, it's very spiky. So if you know what we're doing, you can actually check that out. So after tomorrow, which is Thursday, we have something also for Europe. We have interest rates also. So yeah, actually this week we have some serious economic news. On Friday for Canada, we have employment change and NFP for US. So this week, actually, I think today we just have to relax and see what's really happening. If maybe the market presents some good stuff, then we're gonna take that. But if not, we're just going to relax and see what we can get out of the market, right? We don't have to force anything. We don't really have to force anything, right? So what's really happening? We can easily see that now we are actually on. Please, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Later on, we're gonna go on our live session. We're going to go on our live session. So the best way that you can do that, smash the notifications so that you don't really miss the signals. You don't miss the updates that I'm going to actually do here on the channel. So what's really happening here? You can easily see that yes, the market is actually doing what? It's actually pushing to the upside. The market is actually uptrending on Euro USD. So I'm not going to take much time, especially when later on we're going to actually continue. Actually, we missed this one, but we see that the market is still respecting our support. So we're expecting the market to do what? To still push to the upside. Actually, Euro is a bit stronger, you see. So the market is bit pushing to the upside. So where we are now, we can't do anything. Already we were supposed to enter around this area. If we do enter, obviously we will just hit and run, because there is a chance for the market to bounce back very quick. The market can bounce back very quick. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break this area, but it doesn't seem like the market is willing to do that. So yeah, we just have to let it go. We just have to wait for the market to come back towards our support area. Then we can say, you know what, it's time for us to do something. So now we are actually on USD JPY. This one, the JPY, dollar against JPY is very strong, as we can see. So I think it's because the Japanese yen, they actually decreased their interest rates. That's why it makes Japanese yen bit weak, but it's not like it's actually weak. But on the chart, it seems to be like that, but they're just trying to boost their economy. So what's really happening here is, obviously, you're not going to do anything there. You're not going to enter, or because you can easily see that this is very strong. It's seriously very strong. So we're gonna see it maybe tomorrow when USD increase their interest rates. We might see the market pushing lower. That might give us a very nice picture of what might happen tomorrow. We might see a very strong recovery, especially tomorrow. So, but what we can do here is, there's nothing much we can do. Already the market is high, so we're just waiting for that nice sell. For now, let's just relax on USD JPY and smash the subscribe button. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. What's really happening on US oil? You can easily see that, yeah, the market is still actually on that downtrend. The market is downtrending. So what's really happening is, yes, the market is still playing games. The market tried to push up, but it seems like it's struggling. But going back here, you can easily see that, yes, the market has been actually on this downtrend. When I go closer there, you can easily see that the market actually reached a certain area where we can call actually a support. you can see this is a support area where the market touched, but it seems like the market is unable to push to the upside, which means we might see the market pushing lower again. Maybe we might see a breakout. So this week, or actually yesterday, the market touched our stop loss, unfortunately. But yes, we are going to recover this week, especially with the news. But today, I'm willing to stay out. But let's meet around 12, around 3 there. We're going to go on our live session. We're going to go on our live session. So on US oil, we can see that the market is it's giving us a line there, a resistant line that I'm unable to push towards this above this area, which shows us that okay, the market is creating something very nice there. So the market is been respecting this area for not that long, but you can see that this is a way there where actually that the market can actually continue with. The market is actually downtrending, which is obvious because on top there, or on the biggest time frame, you saw that the market is actually pushing lower as we're going to continue with that downtrend. Now we are on gold. Gold is been struggling to push to the upside. Gold has been struggling actually for quite some time. You can see where we are. It's actually a very nice zone actually for us to buy. After this video, actually I have to send a very nice signal. I think the market can push up very nice. This area is where mostly the market respects. You can see the market actually respect this area, and then most of the time it will shoot to the upside. But since we have the news tomorrow, maybe the market will just consolidate. You can see if I zoom, I don't know if you're able to see each candlestick here. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I had a position actually around this yesterday, but the market doesn't really push much. So we have this consolidation or ranging move. So after this, the market will push up, I mean around the same level, so which is not actually a good thing actually to be in the market. That's why I'm saying it's much better to stay out of the market. But since the opportunity seems to be presenting itself, we might have something like this, and we say okay, let's have maybe a buy pending order. If the market might start to push up, it will find our order there, and then maybe we might make something. Besides that, we just need to relax because there is a chance that the market can break this support area and start to push the lower side. I hope you understand that. Let's push to the next one. It seems like it's now trying to give us some strong sell. So now let's push to US30. US30 also playing games with us. You can see we touched the stop loss. The market tried to push to the upside, but it was actually unable to continue with that bullish move. But you can easily see that we are on a level where we can actually call a resistance, but the market actually tried to break out. You can see we have a very nice resistance on top here, so we just waiting for the news. We're no longer going to do anything, and I did explain about that part, that there is a chance for the market to just play games with us. So, and it seems like it's doing that, but I think it's doing that above this area of breakout. So it seems like the market will be playing around this area until tomorrow maybe. Then we will see if maybe the market will be pushing up or down. But for now, I think it's just a nice time for us just to relax. I don't think there is much that we can do for today, especially as it's a bigger FOMC, guys. It's something which every investor actually check out there. So that's why we will see the market not moving the way we want, or it's just ranging, consolidating all over the place. And if you have some trades, you might make small profit, but one way or another, or 2 minutes later you might get into negative profit. So you can even see by this candlesticks, the market took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 4 hours time frame, and it's just playing around the same area. So it can just hold you like seriously longer. So that's why we say it's safer to stay out. So let's push and check if maybe NASDAQ is doing something. Also, NASDAQ actually, it was actually doing the same thing. The structure is still quite the same as yesterday. What's really happening, you can easily see that the market is actually on a bullish move. We had this consolidation here, and we have a very nice resistance on top. You can see that. Then the market broke out of that. We thought maybe the market will just continue pushing up as the company's earnings were much better, but you know what, the market is still playing around the same level. So it's like everyone is still focusing on FOMC and NFP. Plus next week there's going to be CPI. That is going to be like some like interesting week. So if you know how to trade the news, yeah, you can capitalize on that. So what's really happening is, yes, we did break out, but the market is just consolidating around the same area. So we'll see this on our live session and see maybe if we can get something. But if not, we're just going to relax and see and wait for tomorrow. And tomorrow also we'll just try to be on our live session. So let me just upload this video before the load shedding. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who wants to join the team, you can see on the screen. Guys, I said I want maybe like 5 or like a limited number. Actually, this week you can join and get the robot and the system, and you also get the signals for only $50. If you are part of the group, if you are already in my group, that system, you can pay $25 and you can pay me another $25 after you make some profits. It's only limited for a few people, actually 10 people. If you still want that, just let me know. And you can be part of the team. So let me know. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo. If maybe you want a certain broker, I recommend EXNESS is there. You can see, check the link there. You can actually get the link to straight. It will take you straight to registration. And if you want to talk to me, you know what to do. WhatsApp me or check the link in my description. You can just talk to me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.